The Tata Nexon Infotainment system sometimes fails to turn off, staying stuck on the screen after the engine is shut down. This is often due to software glitches preventing the system from entering sleep mode. The latest software updates, version 2.1.8 from Q3 2025, aim to fix this by improving sleep mode algorithms, ensuring the system powers down within 30 to 60 seconds of ignition off. If you're experiencing this, first ensure your Nexon has the latest software via OTA updates. For older models pre-2020, hardware limitations may persist, requiring a different approach. If the stuck-on issue persists, start by checking your sleep settings in the infotainment menu. Navigate to the Settings menu, then System, and select Sleep. Make sure the timeout setting is configured to an appropriate value for automatic shutdown. If settings don't help, try a soft reboot. Hold the power button on the infotainment system for 5 to 10 seconds to restart it without losing your data. For more stubborn issues, perform a hard reboot. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Note that this will reset the system to factory defaults. If the issue persists after these steps, contact Tata Customer Care. Persistent problems might indicate firmware incompatibilities or faulty hardware requiring professional attention.